What if I told you that the most reliable cars on the road today aren't the ones shouting for attention with flashy badges or ultra-modern gimmicks? And if you've ever had a car let you down, you already know reliability isn't just a feature, it's peace of mind. Before we jump in, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want more real-world car insights that actually help you make smarter decisions, not just shinier ones. Now let's get straight into the 15 most reliable cars you can buy today, and exactly why each one deserves your attention. We start with a name that practically defines reliability, the Toyota RAV-4. It's not just one of the best-selling SUVs in America, it's one of the most trusted, efficient, practical, and known to push well past 200,000 miles with ease. This is the car you get when you don't want to think about your car. Next up, the Toyota Corolla. Simple, durable, predictable in the best possible way. Corolla doesn't try to impress with flash, it wins with consistency, lower repair costs, great fuel economy, and a track record that spans generations. It's the definition of a car that just works. Third on the list is the Lexus ES. This is where luxury meets long-term peace of mind. Underneath, it shares DNA with the Toyota Camry, but it's wrapped in premium materials and tuned for comfort. If you want refinement without the repair bills, the ES is your answer. Fourth is the Honda Accord. Even with its shift to turbocharged engines, the Accord hasn't missed a beat. It's a rare balance. Spacious yet nimble, modern yet dependable. The kind of car that quietly does everything well and keeps doing it for years. At number 5, the Honda CR-V earns its spot as a family favorite. Comfortable, efficient, and packed with practical features, the CR-V has fixed past reliability hiccups and returned to form. Today, it's once again a safe bet for the long haul. In 6th place is the Mazda CX-5. Sleek, stylish, and surprisingly dependable. Mazda focuses on refining what works. No overcomplicated tech, no unnecessary gimmicks. Just a smooth, enjoyable ride with a strong track record. 7th, the Subaru Forester. A go-anywhere, do-anything kind of car. With standard all-wheel drive and a rugged design, the Forester appeals to those who want capability and reliability in one package. It's built to handle whatever road you take, day after day. 8th is the Toyota Prius. It may not turn heads, but it redefined what it means to drive efficiently and reliably. Toyota's cautious, proven approach to hybrid tech pays off here. The Prius offers unmatched longevity in a segment where others often fall short. 9th is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Yes, a sports car made the list, and for good reason. Lightweight, mechanically simple, and made to be driven. The Miata isn't just fun, it's reliable fun. Few cars offer this much joy with so little worry. Rounding out the top 10, the Subaru Outback. Part wagon, part SUV, all-purpose. It's built for adventure, but engineered for endurance. With its high ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, the Outback is ready for whatever comes next, and keeps going strong year after year. Sliding in next is the Toyota Camry, a mid-size sedan that's been the go-to choice for no-nonsense reliability for decades. Known for its smooth ride, excellent safety ratings, and rock-solid powertrains, the Camry offers a near-luxury experience without the ownership headaches. The Hyundai Elantra has matured into one of the most dependable compact sedans on the market. Backed by one of the best warranties in the industry and a track record of dependable performance, the Elantra delivers both peace of mind and surprising value. Kia has made huge strides, and the Sportage proves it. With a well-earned reputation for improved reliability, this compact SUV now competes head-to-head with the segment's best. It's smartly engineered, backed by a strong warranty, and built to last. The Civic has always punched above its weight when it comes to long-term dependability. From the engine to the transmission to its rock-solid suspension, the Civic keeps delivering year after year. It's an icon of reliability for good reason. Yes, a Tesla. While early build quality raised eyebrows, the Model 3 has steadily improved and shown strong reliability in key electric drivetrain components. With fewer moving parts than traditional gas cars, the Model 3 proves that EVs can go the distance with minimal maintenance. From the rock-solid Toyota RAV4 to the trail-ready Subaru Outback, every car on this list has something in common. A proven reputation you can count on. Whether you're after efficiency, luxury, versatility, or fun, these 15 models are built to stay with you, mile after mile. Want a deeper look at any of them? Let me know. Until next time, keep driving smart.